So before we were dragging fields onto the page, but now what we're trying to drag on is a list of related records.
Okay, so I should click related lists over here.
Exactly.
Okay, good. Set times. I drag it down, and that's lovely.
Awesome. Click Save. Don't forget that guy.
Thank you. You've added or moved related lists to this page layout. Yeah, I always want to overwrite.
We want everyone to see the set times.
Yeah, set times are important. Cool, set times. But that's totally lame. I don't care about ST0001. Can I get more information than that?
So the auto number isn't too useful, but we can also from the page layout modify what shows up in this related list. So let's actually go back into the layout or page layout editor and fix that.